Welcome back to Car Reviews Updates, where we bring you the latest in automotive news and in-depth reviews of the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2025 Range Rover, a vehicle that continues to redefine luxury and performance in the SUV segment. Range Rover has always been synonymous with elegance, ruggedness, and unmatched comfort, and the 2025 model takes that legacy to a whole new level. From the moment you lay eyes on this SUV, it's clear that Land Rover has carefully crafted a masterpiece. The exterior design is sleek, with bold lines and a commanding presence on the road. The signature floating roof and LED headlights give it a modern edge while maintaining that classic Range Rover look. But it's not just about aesthetics. The 2025 Range Rover is built to impress with its cutting-edge technology and incredible performance. Under the hood, you'll find an array of powerful engine options, including a mild hybrid system and a plug-in hybrid for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without sacrificing performance. Whether you're tackling the open highway or navigating rough terrain, the Range Rover's sophisticated air suspension and all-terrain capabilities ensure a smooth, effortless ride no matter the conditions. It's the kind of SUV that can handle both luxury road trips and off-road adventures with equal grace. Inside, the 2025 Range Rover is a sanctuary of comfort. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials like leather, suede, and fine woods. The seats are ergonomically designed to provide unmatched comfort, even on the longest drives. The advanced infotainment system is intuitive, offering seamless connectivity and an impressive sound system that makes every drive feel like an experience. Whether you're using the touchscreen or voice commands, everything is at your fingertips, designed to make your time behind the wheel as enjoyable as possible. Safety has also been a priority, with advanced driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring that you and your loved ones are always protected. The 2025 Range Rover is truly an all-encompassing vehicle that balances luxury, performance, and practicality. In conclusion, the 2025 Range Rover isn't just a car, it's a statement. It's a blend of technology, style, and capability that pushes the boundaries of what an SUV can do. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Range Rover lineup or considering it for the first time, this new model is sure to impress. Stay tuned for more reviews and updates on the latest cars, only here at Car Reviews Updates.